Have you ever felt like giving up on your art even though you truly love it? Do you sometimes feel tired and frustrated and keep wondering if all these efforts are even worth it? If this emotional conflict feels real to you, this video is for you. Many artists go through this phase quietly. They love creating, but the journey feels heavy. Lack of results, slow growth, and constant uncertainty make them question everything. You may start doubting your decisions. You may wonder if you should focus on something more stable or predictable. These thoughts don't come from lack of passion. They come from lack of direction, lack of clarity, and lack of support. Feeling like giving up does not mean you're weak. It means you're tired of unclear effort. When effort does not show results, the mind loses hope. You don't want to quit art. You want to quit confusion, struggle, and uncertainty. There is a clear difference between the two. When clarity comes, motivation returns. Most artists think they need more motivation. They watch a lot of videos, read a lot of posts, and then try to inspire themselves. But motivation is temporary. Clarity creates lasting energy. When you know what you're doing and why are you doing, things will feel lighter. You stop questioning every step. You start trusting your journey, and that trust builds confidence. Empowerment begins when you understand that your feelings are valid, but they are not permanent. You don't need to push yourself harder right now. You don't need to feel guilty for feeling tired. You need clarity that reduces mental pressure and a relief that creates space for growth. When artists get the right guidance, their energy comes back. They feel excited again. They see possibilities instead of problems. And imagine that shift is very powerful, right? Imagine creating art with excitement instead of pressure. Imagine waking up with clarity instead of confusion. Imagine feeling hopeful about your own future again. That transformation is absolutely possible. If you are ready to move from frustration to clarity and rebuild your confidence, comment Art Business below. That one step can change everything, and you will be able to continue your journey with strength.